guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you guys some gel colors. Yes, some new gel colors, and they are summer vibes. So this is the company and these are the gel colors that I have. So look at this. This just screams like vacation, summer, and I'm so happy because they're so cute. I will share with you guys a better little image of the unboxing, but these are the fun colors that I have to share with you guys. They're all so pretty and so unique. There's blue, yellow, purple, green, orange, and pink, which are all the essentials for any mani-pedi, and they are lovely colors. So I do have also a tutorial just trying out the color and testing it. So I did do a summer vibes, a yellow abstract. That's all that's in right now, and I feel like I really wanted to give it a try with my own spin, my own twist, and this is what I created for you guys. So if you guys want to check this company and this product out, the link is down below in the description bar. And enough rambling now, let's just get this video started. So this is the color that I'll be using. It is called B069 and it's just a yellow color. And then I'll also be taking this brush. It's just a small detailing brush so I could do my designs. So here I start by making sure that all of my nails are nice and prepped, and here I'm going to start applying the yellow gel color. I will be showing you guys with just one coat. I want you guys to be able to see the full color with just one application and one coat. So here is how it's looking like. It's super bright, nice and opaque. I love the consistency. It's super nice and smooth, and I just really enjoyed how this applied. Now I will be taking a second coat just to show you guys how it looks like. So here I'm going to show you guys just half of the tip. As you guys can see, it turns into a brighter yellow color, and now I'm just going to paint it. See how there's no bumps, there's no streaks. It's just a nice smooth application. Really love that. Okay, so this is how it's looking like. Here's a little bit of a close-up. Really shiny as well. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but it's super shiny. So here I will be applying a third and final coat. So I did want to go full force and show you guys with 3 coats. Really love this formula. I feel like formula is definitely the most important thing, along with the color payout. On top of that, this is such a pretty yellow color, and I feel like it goes really well with the summertime for sure. So here I'm taking the clear top coat that it comes with, and honestly this just adds a super shine. I love this top coat and I love the way that it applied. So here I'm going to show you guys with my thumbnail, and I am showing you guys just the same thing. So it's a first coat, just one application, and this is how it looks like. Very nice. Now this is a bigger nail, so as you guys can see there's a little bit of streaks, but here's my second coat. As you guys can see, the tip is a little bit brighter. So here I'm taking my second coat, and definitely it's taking out the streakiness. So I feel like I really like using 2 or 3 coats the most. So now I'll be going into my design. So I did take a plate and just kind of dotted some yellow onto the plate so that I could just dip my brush in there and start my design. So here I just have the brush, and I'm just going to take a small amount and just start winging it. Honestly, this is like a freestyle, so that's what I did. I did get some inspiration just here and there, but honestly, I just kind of went with it. So I did start by the top right there corner, and I just started doing a squiggle line thing. So it's honestly kind of fun once you start doing it. I feel like there's no right or wrong, so that's kind of how I just went and did this. So just applying yellow streaks here and there, and that's how I got my design. So here is the final result, guys.
I really loved how this turned out. I love the yellow color and how it looks like. I did add a little bit of white as well, and as you guys can see, I did do my middle finger tip just yellow up there, and then the other two are just abstract nails with yellow and white. So I absolutely love this, and I feel like it's so fun, so nice, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some inspiration, and check out the gel colors. I will leave it down in the description bar, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!